Skin diseases such as psoriasis affect around 1 in 50 people in the UK. UCB Pharma is using advancements in science to find new ways to reduce the inflammatory response in patients, leading to a better quality of life for those suffering with the disease.
Rowena has beautiful, clear skin, something she never thought she'd have. Throughout her 20s and 30s, her life was dominated by the painful skin condition psoriasis. Every day she battled itchy, sore, flaky patches of skin, hiding her body away under long clothes.
Wouldn't get dressed in front of my husband. Didn't want him to see when it was on my thighs, when it was bad. He always said, it doesn't matter to me, but it mattered to me that he was seeing it, and it just felt ugly.
Although there is no cure for psoriasis, it can be managed with the right treatment and advice. Over 20 years, Rowena tried numerous medications.
Some of the treatments worked a little bit. They'd stop the flakiness, but I'd still have the red marks in the areas. Some would make me feel really sick. I was told I couldn't go in the sun, to wear sort of factor 50 sun cream, and some doctors said cover up completely. So that would affect, summer holidays with my son.
Psoriasis affects 2 in 100 people in the UK. The advances in science have transformed the success of treatments, making the prognosis much more hopeful.
When I first started training 10-15 years ago, patients would come in, they would often be angry, disappointed, upset, not living the life that they wanted to. And that was partly because we weren't able to clear their skin, and really we were aiming for an improvement of around 50% for many patients. Whereas the advances in therapeutics and treatments that are available now means that we're aiming for 90 to 100% clearance of their skin.
These scientists are helping to develop the latest treatments for skin conditions. UCB is a pharmaceutical company that is leveraging scientific advances in new technologies in areas including genetics, biomarkers, and human biology.
I think we've now really entered a golden age of drug discovery and treatment options for patients. And with our deeper understanding of how disease processes work and the technologies available to us, as well as the increasing amount of data we have, I think it's really likely that the field in general can really start talking about cure for inflammatory skin diseases in the future.
For me as a clinician, when a patient now walks through the door and they've been started on one of these treatments, it's like seeing a new person. They're happy, their whole life has changed, they're able to form relationships, do well at work, sleep well, all the things that we take for granted, and with really minimal inconvenience to their everyday lives.
When we work in the lab, we're so focused sometimes on gene expression levels and protein expression. It's easy to forget how this translates to clear, healthy skin, which is what the patient wants. And so meeting the patient and understanding their needs really brings it full circle back to lab. It makes us incredibly determined, and there's so much trial and error, there's so much resilience required working in the lab that determination is really important.
But there are obstacles to getting the right treatment at the right time. Psoriasis patients can wait between 18 and 24 months to see an NHS dermatologist.
Dermatology services are under huge pressure because of increasing numbers of referrals, particularly for suspected skin cancers, and those patients are prioritised above our routine patients.
Rowena was finally prescribed a biologic treatment that worked. Psoriasis no longer dominates her life. Holidays in Wales and wellies have been replaced by shorts in Spain, and her husband has seen a big change.
I went and had like a nice photo shoot, I should say, a grown-up photo shoot as a Christmas present for him, because I just felt we've got no nice pictures of me. I've never felt so comfortable and pretty and sexy. I've got so many years of long clothes.
And now look at you with your own photo shoot.
That's it, my own photo shoot, and he was chuffed with them.
Bet you he was.